Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Executive in Dodge City, Kansas. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi and a non-smoking rooms. Located 1 miles from Dodge City's historic old downtown, Executive in Dodge City, Kansas offers free Wi-Fi throughout the hotel. The front desk is open 24 hours and there are laundry facilities available for guest use. All rooms at Executive in Dodge City, Kansas have work desks, microwaves and mini refrigerators. Cable TV with HBO and local calls are free at the hotel. Boot Hill Museum and historic trolley tours are both 1 mile from America's Best Value Inn. The Boot Hill Casino is 2 miles away, and the hotel is 5 miles from the Dodge City Regional Airport. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.